what is the area vector? If I ask you, what is area vector?
When the area is very small.
When the area is very small. So let us suppose a surface is given, yeah, and you have to find its area. So obviously a square has length, the two side square, right? If a square is given A into A, sides of A, then the area is A square. Okay. But what about the direction? If I'm talking about the direction, let's suppose this is a square,
Right.
right, of sides A.
Right.
I have placed in this XY plane. Now you have said area is A square, right? So what about the direction? Where will be the direction be?
It is perpendicularly outwards.
Yeah. So will it be always perpendicular outwards? Cannot it be inwards? Perpendicular,
So
yeah. It is
it depends
perpendicular,
on
right?
where we consider, yeah.
So the direction of the area is always perpendicular to the surface. That's clear.
Right.
So that means you are saying it is towards the positive z-axis, right?
Right.
So I can write a k cap, positive
Right.
k cap, but it can be also in towards the negative z-axis also, right? Because the area is a vector quantity and it is always perpendicular to the surface. So I can also write as a square minus k cap,
Right.
right? So if let us suppose this is in this z-axis, I place a circle, right? And now I say you find the area. The magnitude is clear. If the radius is r, you will tell me, okay, pi r square. What about the direction of this area A vector?
Either plus y or minus y.
Yeah, so plus y or minus y, it can be both. So I can write j cap or it can be pi r square minus j, right? So any problem you solve, always be very clear that area is a vector quantity. Its direction is always perpendicular to the surface. So this is the case when I am talking about open surface, right? This is a plane surface, right? Now what happens when we consider a closed surface, that is a 3D surface?
Then the area vector is 0.
Area vector is 0. Like let us suppose I take a cube. So what will be the direction of the area vector?
All the area vectors will cancel each other, so 0.
Direction, I'm talking about the direction.
So it will have no direction.
It will be outward.
Right.
All the area vector will be outward and it will be normal to the each face of this cube,
Right.
right?
Right.
So always there is no inward area vector, right? It is always normal to the surface of the 3D surface, right? Whichever closed surface you are taking, the area vector will be always outward, normal to the surface.